Now to make my pumpkin dumplings, I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, a piece of pumpkin, and I keep the skin on because you know that is rough edge and the properties are in the skin, and a grater. You can use a blender to blend it. When you're going to use a blender, you slice the pumpkins fine, add it with a little water and blend. Then you use that puree and mix the flour. So here I will grate my pumpkin. Alright, this is the grated pumpkin. This is how it looks. So I will add my pumpkin. To my flour. Combine the flour with the pumpkin. And then I add my water and knead and form into a dough. So I will pour some water, that amount, and gradually knead and pour the water that I need to form the dough. Okay, that's my dough. So here I portion the dough and I'll form my dumplings now. Those are my dumplings. 5 little dumplings. Look how beautiful they are. Now I will add my dumplings. allow this to cook.